about second parameter, which included research projects, the publications, quality of publications, and patents. In this video, we will be talking about the third parameter, which is graduation outcome. Under this parameter, you would see that the components for overall category and for colleges are quite different. One of the metric, that is metric for university examinations, is common in both the cases. However, the other metrics are different. Say for example, the second metric in case of overall component is metric for number of PhD students graduated. However, the two metrics for the colleges are combined metric for placement and higher studies and median salary. So under the overall category, the NIRF is concentrating on the performance in university examination and number of PhD students graduating. However, for colleges, it is looking into the placement and higher studies as well as the median salary. Now, for colleges, the first metric is combined metric for placement and higher studies. It carries 40 marks. So as you can see from the formula, GPH is equal to 40 multiplied by sum of NP upon 100 and NHS upon 100. So it is interesting to know what is NP and what is NHS. NP is number of placement amongst the graduating students and NHS is the number of students who are going for the higher studies. So the percentage of graduating students who are placed is NP and percentage of graduating students who go for higher studies is NHS. So if you are having your students distributed between the placed students and the students going for higher studies, you will get the maximum marks under this metric. Now, the second metric is common under overall category and for colleges. And this metric is metric for university examinations, abbreviated as GUE. It carries 60 marks under overall category and 40 marks for colleges. Obviously, the formulae are different for overall category and for colleges. And the factor which is multiplied for overall category is 60 and it is 40 in case of colleges. Now, if you look at this formula, you would realize that what it expects is 80% of passing percentage. 80 is the passing percentage which is expected here. So if you get 80% or higher passing percentage, this ratio would come down to 1 and 1 multiplied by this factor will get you the maximum marks. So the institute should be looking for a passing percentage of 80 and above under this metric. Now the next metric is under overall category and it is metric for number of PhD students graduated and it carries 40 marks. This metric is not applicable to colleges. So you can see here the formula is very simple. GPHD is equal to 40 multiplied by function of NPHD. And what is NPHD? NPHD is the average number of PhD students who have graduated over the previous 3 years. So this is self-explanatory. More the number of PhD students graduating from the institutions, more is the score under this metric. With this, we come down to the end of parameter 3, that is graduate outcome. In the next video, we will be talking about the fourth parameter, outreach and inclusivity. Thank you for watching.